वज़ीर ख़जाना ने 2 दिन में IMF से मुआहिदा होने का दावा किया है। सेमिनार से खिताब में उनका कहना था कि चैलेंजेस दरपेश होने के बावजूद जल्द मुआशी मसाइल पर काबू पा लेंगे। उन्होंने पाकिस्तान के दिवालिया होने की खबरें अफवाह करार दी। उनका कहना था कि इत्तेहादी हुकूमत को मुल्क में जारी बहरान विरसे में मिला है।
The upcoming budget will be a step in taking the country out of the economic quagmire it has inherited. Today, foreign investment in the country stands at a historic low due to the poor governance and economic mismanagement of the last few years. The coalition government was handed over an economy last year which was completely in shambles. To top it, the previous government had agreed to a loan facility in 2019, which was extended finance facility with the IMF. We and my team decided that come what may, we will implement and we will discharge all the sovereign commitments with the previous government. We have been in the process of 9th review. Anyway, we seem to be very close to be signing staff level agreement, hopefully inshallah in the next few days.